Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take one class from mathematics and from the chapter ratio and proportion, and this lecture will help you for the preparation of CBSE, ICSE, TPSC, SSC and TET and UPSC. Okay, school board preparation as well as civil service exams. Okay, so first I will discuss about the formulas of ratio and proportions. Okay, so if A by B is equal to C by D, then we can write number one formula. We can write here A by C equal to B by D. By which rule? Invariant rule. By alternate rule. ALTERNAND. Okay. Number two formula is B by A, D by C. By which rule? By inverted rule. Okay. Number three is, so another is A by A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. You can write. And number four formula is A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. This one is which formula? By component. Okay, and this one is by D by Nendu. Okay, and number 5 is component and dividend 2. That is A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D by component and dividend 2. Okay. Fine. So these are the formulas. So another formula is A by A minus B, and we can write also C by C minus D. Okay, C by C minus D by converted rule. Which formula? Converted rule. Okay, converted rule. So these are the basic formulas of ratio and proportion. If A, B, C any integer and A by B equal to C by D, then we can write A by C equal to B by D by alternate rule, and B by A equal to D by C by inverted rule formula, and A plus B by A, C plus D by D by component rule, A minus B by B and equal to C minus D by D equal by dividend rule, and A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D by component and dividend rule. And sixth number is what, sir? Sixth number is A by A minus B, C by C minus D by converted rule. Okay, so these are the 6 formulas of ratio and proportions. Now we will do some MCQ question from the basic levels. Okay, so our first question is like that. The total number of students in 3 classes are in the ratio 2:3:4. Okay, the total number of students in 3 classes are in the ratio 2:3:4. If 12 students are increased 12 students are increased in each class, the ratio changes to 8:11:14. The total number of students in the 3 classes in the beginning. So initially what is given? They given the ratio of 3 classes. So let first class have how many students? 2x, and second class have 3x. Okay, and third class have 4x students. Okay, so total number of students in 3 class, therefore total students in 3 classes will be what is equal to 2x plus 3x plus 4x. Okay, so it will be 7 and 9x. Fine. Now 12 student is increase in every class. So after increasing 12 student in each class, ratio will be what? Ratio will be what? 2x plus 12 comma 3x plus 12 and 4x plus 12. Okay, now this ratio is become this one. So now according to the question we can write 2x plus 12 divided by 3x plus 12 is equal to nothing but 8:11. That is 8/11. Okay, so from that we can easily find out this one is 24x, this is 96. If I multiply it by 8 and if you multiply it by this one, it will be 22x plus 132. Okay, plus 11 into 12 is what? 11 into 12 is 132. 11 into 12 is, that is 12 and 12, this is 132. Okay, so now if I simplify this, it will be 2x is equal to 132 minus 96. So 2x is equal to what? It will be 6 and it will be 6, 1, 10, 3, 36. The x will be 18. So I find out the x is what? Now total number of student is 9x. So total student at the beginning. At the beginning is what? 9x. It will be 9 into 18. If you multiply this one, 8 9 is 72, that is 2, and 9 into 1 9, and 9 and 7 is 16, 162. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Got my point? Option A will be the correct option. Okay, let me explain shortly. Here given in the 3 classes, the number of students ratio is what? 2:3:4. And if 12 student is increase in every classes, then the ratio become 8:11:14. So now the question is, we have to find out the total number of student in the 3 class at the beginning. Okay, before increasing. So first I write in the number of students in the first class will be 2x, number of students in the second class will be 3x, number of students in the third class will be 4x. So total number of students will be 9x. Okay, so after increasing 12 students in each class, the ratio will be what? 2x plus 12, 3x plus 12 and 4x plus 12. Now this ratio will be this figure, that is 12x plus 12 is to 3x plus 12 is to 4x plus 12 is equal to 8:11:14. So according to the question we can write this by this equal to 8/11. From that I simplifying, I find out the value of x is what? That is x is 18. Now total number of students at the beginning is what? 9x. That is 9 into 2, that is 9 into 18 equal to 162. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer here. So now move on the next question. Okay, so our next question, this question number 2 from the ratio proportion is like that. The salaries of A, B, C are in the ratio 1:3:4. If the salaries are increased by 5%, 10% and 15% respectively, then the increased salaries will be in the ratio of what? 4 option is given. Which option will be correct? We have to find out. Okay, so let's try to do it. Fine. Now first you can consider ratio is what? 1:3:4. So A is to B is to C is 1:3:4. Okay, so as salary I consider x, B's salary I consider 3x, and C's salary I consider here 4x. Okay, now A's salary increases 5%. So A's salary now after increase 5%, A's salary will be what? A's salary will be salary equal to x plus 5% of x, that is 5 by 100 into x. Okay, so it will be, if I take x as common, 100 plus 5, okay, divided by 100, that is 105 by 5x by 100 will be the A's salary. Similarly, we can say similarly B's salary after increasing, okay, B's salary will be what? 110, that is 110 by 100 into how much? 3x. And C's salary after increasing 15% will be 115 by 100 into 4x. Okay, now we have to find out the ratio. The ratio will be what? The ratio will be ratio of salary A, B and C salary. Okay, so it will be now 105x by 100 is to 110 by 100 into 3x is to 115 by 100 into 4x. Okay, 100 will be cancel out, x will be cancel out. Here is 105, 100 into 3 is to 115 is to 4. Now if you cut by 5, it will be 21. Okay, 21 here it will be 22 and 22 into 3, and here it will be 23 into 4. So if you multiply this one, it will be 2166 into 292. So which option is correct? That is 2166 into 92. So option C is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, got my point? So you can consider here the salaries of A, no need to only consider x, you can consider as 100, and this one will be 200 and this one will be 400 because 3 times greater. Okay, but most simple form for everyone, most simple method is you take first A's salary is x, B's salary is 3x and C's salary is 4x. Now after increase 5% of A's salary will be x plus 5 by 100 into x. Take x as common, it will be 105 by 100 into x. Similarly, B's salary will be 10% is increase. So 100 plus 10 by 100, that is 110 by 100 into 3x. Okay, and C's salary will be 15% increase, that is 100 plus 15 by 100 into 4x, that is 115 by 100 into 4x. Now after increasing their salary will be what? Salary ratio will be what? That is this one is to this one is to this one, and after simplifying what comes? That is 21 is to 66 into 92. Got my point? So move on the next question. Hello everyone. Our next question, that is question number 3. The ratio of water and milk in a 30 liter of mixture is 7:3. Okay, find the quantity of water to be added in the mixture so that in order to make the ratio is 6:1. Okay, so first in a mixture of 30 liter, okay, here is 30 liter is mixture is there, 30 liter mixture is there. Okay, in which water and milk ratio is what? 7:3. Okay, fine. Now how much water should be added here? Milk will be same quantity, will be remaining same quantity. How much water should be added in this container so that the ratio becomes 6:1 instead of 7:3. Okay, this amount of water we have to find out. So let's try. So let water is equal to 7x liter, okay, and milk is 3x liter. Okay, so now according to the question, this 7x plus 3x is what? 30. So 10x is equal to 30, so x will be 3. Okay, this much clear. Now water quantity will be what? Water quantity will be 7x, that is 7 into 3, 21 liter in 30 liter mixture, and milk quantity will be what? 3x, that is 3 into 3 is equal to 9 liter. Okay, got my point? Now come here, we have to find out what I consider. Let x liter of water to be added, okay, to be added in mixture. Got my point? In the mixture, how much? X liter of water to be added. Now the ratio becomes 6:1. So according to the question here, I can write what? Water will be 21 plus x now is 2, milk is 9, and ratio will be changed to 6:1. Okay, so from that we have to find out the value of x is what, and this will be the extra added water amount. Okay, so 21 plus x by 9 is equal to 6 by 1. So now if I multiply this one, it will be 21 plus x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 minus 21, it will be 3 and 3, that is 33. So 33 liter of extra water should be added to become the ratio 6:1. Okay, so which option is correct here? Option C is the correct answer. This lecture will help you not only for the CBSE and class 6, 7, 8 student, also help in the civil service exams. Okay, those are preparing for this. It may be UPSC, it may be SSC, it may be SSB, it may be TET exams, that is teacher eligibility test exam, CTET or state TET, or it may be any state civil service exams. Okay, that's why I'm explaining all the solution in details, not I'm going to go in shortcut methods. Okay, so now we will move to the next question, that is question number 4, okay, of the lecture. So our next question is like that: the present ratio of ages of A and B is 4:5. So the ratio of A and B, that is the ages of A and B is 4:5. 18 years ago this ratio was 11:16. Find the sum total of their present age. So we have to find out the present age of A and B is what? That is total sum. Now ages to B, ages ratio. Okay, ages ratio is what? A to B is equal to 4:5. So S is what? I consider, let S age is equal to 4x and B's age is equal to 5x. Okay, so therefore 18 years ago S age will be what? Was 4x minus 18. Okay, and 18 years ago B's age was what? 5x minus 18. Now the ratio of 18 years ago of their age is 11:16. So now according to the question we can say, according to the question what happened here, that is 4x minus 18 by 5x minus 18 is equal to nothing but 11/16. Now if you multiply by this, it will be 55x minus 18 into 18, that is 198. Okay, 198 is equal to 64x and minus 16 into how much? 16 into 18. So 18 and 16, if I multiply this, it will 48 4 and 6 108, 6 8 ja 48. Okay, it will be here 8 and 1, so 8 8 288. Okay, it will be 288. Fine. So now minus 198 plus 288 is equal to how much? 64x minus 55x. So here it will be 0 9, okay, 90, and here it will be 9x. So x will be 10. Now total, the sum of their ages, the sum of their ages, okay, is equal to how much? That is present age, that is 9x, 4x plus 3x 5x, that is 9x. Okay, so 9 into 10, that is 90 years. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, so let me explain again in short. The present age of A and B are given 4:5. Okay, fine. 18 years ago this ratio was 11:16. Okay, we have to find out the sum of the ages of A and B at present. Okay, now I consider here A's age is 4x years, B's age is 5x year. Now 18 years ago A's age was 4x minus 18 years, is not it, and B's age is 5x minus 18 years. Now according to the question, this by this is nothing but the 11/16. That is, this is to this is equal to 11:16. From that I simplify, cross multiplied. After cross multiplied, what came? X is 10. I find out x is 10. Now the sum of their ages at present is what? 4x plus 5x. So 9x is equal to 9 into 10. Since x is 10, I put here x value, and what comes? 90 years. Okay, so which option is correct here? Option A is the correct answer. Got my point? Okay, so students, our next question, that is the last question, question number 5. This is the last question, okay, of this lecture. So so the question is like that: a bag contains an equal number of 1 rupees 50 paise and 25 paise coins. Okay, the number of coins of 1 rupees 25 paise, 25 paise and 50 paise are equal, and the total value of the coins is 35. So how many coins of each type are there? We have to find out. Okay, let's try. So first I consider, let x number of coins of each type are there. Okay, so therefore according to the question, so now total value is what? Total value given, total value of this coin is rupees 35. So according to the question we can write what? 1 into x plus 50 paise, that is x into how much? 50 paise, that is 50 by 100. I converted in rupees, okay? And here x into 25 by 100 is equal to 35. If you understand this equation, you can do any question from the topics, okay, from that related to these topics, that is coin relations. 1 rupees value is what? 1, and number of coins is here x. So you have to multiply, that is one formula, number of coins into value, okay, you have to multiply it. This one, this number of coins are into value, and this value you have to convert it always in rupees. So now 1 into x plus 50 paise, 50 paise means you have to convert in rupees, so 50 by 100, and 25 paise, this x, 25 paise, x into 25 by 100 equal to 35. So if you cut this one, it will be what? It will be 2, and here it will be 4. So x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 is equal to 35. Now come here, the LCM will be 4, there is 4x plus 2x plus x is equal to 35, that is 7x is equal to 4 equal to 35. If I cut this by this, it will be 5, so x is equal to 20. So total number of coins will be 20. So which option is correct? Option C is the correct answer. So total number of coins in the bag is 20. Okay, got my point? Okay, I hope all of you enjoy my class. So this is the last question of this lecture. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.